Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the third test of Eduteria. The test discussion of first two tests has been uploaded in our channel. Let's start the test series. Question 1. Which ruler of Delhi Sultanate imposed grazing tax on milch animals? The right answer is D. Two taxes were imposed by Alauddin Khilji. The first is Charai tax and Ghari tax. Charai tax was for grazing and Ghari tax was for residencies. Number 2. Which ruler of Vijayanagar Empire first gave place to Muslim in his army? The right answer is B. Devarai II. Devarai II was fourth ruler of Vijayanagar Empire and he recruited Muslims into the army for the first time. Question number 3. The Bahmani kingdom was founded by Hassan Gangu during the reign of which Sultan of Delhi? The right answer is C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Bahmani kingdom was established by Hassan Gangu in 1347 AD during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Fourth, from which rebellion did Bankim Chand Chatterjee take the plot of his novel Anand Mat? The right answer is A. Sannyasi Rebellion. Anand Mat was written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee in 1882 AD. The national song Vande Mataram is taken from Anand Mat itself. Fifth, who was leading the soldiers of Nana Sahib in the revolt of 1857? The right answer is C. Tatya Tope. The real name of Tatya Tope was Ramchandra Pandurang and he was leading the soldiers of Nana Sahib. Nawab Azimullah was the chief advisor to Nana Sahib and the leader of the revolution in Fatehpur. Question number 6. Who among the following did not participate in the revolt of 1857? Gulab Singh, the ruler of Kashmir, did not participate. Nawab of Hyderabad, Salar Jung, did not participate. Scindia of Gwalior, Begum of Bhopal. The answer is more than one of the above, as all the four options did not participate in the revolt of 1857. Along with them, the Indian intelligentsia and educated class also did not participate in this revolt. Question number 7. When was income tax imposed for the first time in India? The answer is 1860 by Wilson. And the budget was presented for the first time. Question number 8. Which of the following institution was not founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy? The right answer is Bharatiya Brahma Samaj. It was founded by Kesav Chandra Sen in 1866. Kesav Chandra Sen. Question 9. What was the childhood name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati? The right answer is A. Mool Sankar. The name was given by Dandi Swami Purnanand and his guru was Swami Virjanand. Question 10. When was Deoband movement started? The right answer is B. 1866. The Deoband movement was founded by Muhammad Kazim Nanavtavi and Abdul Rashid Gangohi. It was opposed to the British system and the Aligarh movement. It welcomed the establishment of the Congress. Question 11. Where was Surendranath Banerjee when the founding session of the INC was going on? The right answer is C. Kolkata. 12th. In which session of the Indian National Congress was a woman elected president for the first time? The right answer is D. Kolkata session. 13th. Who founded the United Indian Patriotic Association to thwart the propaganda of the Congress and keep the people away from the Congress? 13th. The right answer is A. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. 14th. Which movement led to the split of the Indian National Congress? The right answer is B. Swadeshi movement. After the Swadeshi movement, the difference between the two factions deepened, resulting in the split of the Congress in the Surat session of 1907. 15th. Where was the book Gita Rahasya composed by Bal Gangadhar Tilak? The right answer is C. Mandalay. In 1908, Tilak was sent to Mandalay jail, Burma, after being sentenced to 6-year imprisonment on the basis of articles published in Kesari. It was here that he wrote the book Gita Rahasya. 16th. Which of the following statement is wrong? The right answer is E. None of the above. 17. Who said that India is like a son who is now young? The need of the hour is that the father or guardian should give this son his rightful right. The Indian people must take their right. They have competed every right in this regard. The right answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He used this statement when during the Home Rule movement. 18th. Who among the following presided over the first session of the All India Kisan Sabha? The right answer is D. Swami Sahajanand. The first session of All India Kisan Sabha was held in Lucknow in 1936. 19th. Which province had the largest number of satyagrahis in Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March? The right answer is C. Gujarat. Out of the 78 satyagrahis, 31 were from Gujarat, 13 from Maharashtra and 8 from UP, 3 were from Punjab. A satyagrahi from Bihar also participated in this. Question 20. Which foreign journalist has presented an intriguing description of the raid on the warehouse named Dharsana? The right answer is C. Webb Miller. 21. In the context of Gandhi-Irwin Pact, who called Gandhi and Irwin as two Mahatmas? The right answer is B. Sarojini Naidu. 22. Which of the following? What was the name of the Indian who participated in the Round Table Conference as a representative of the Congress? The right answer is A. Mahatma Gandhi. The second Round Table Conference was lasted from 7 September to 1 December 1931, which was unsuccessful. 23. The first president of Harijan Sevak Sangh was? The right answer is B. Ghanshyam Das Birla. After the Pune Pact of 1932, Gandhi became fully active in the anti-untouchability movement and founded the All India Anti-Untouchability League, which later came to be known as Harijan Sevak Sangh. 24. Who was the Prime Minister of England at the time of Quit India movement? The right answer is D. Winston Churchill. He was the Prime Minister from 1940 to 45. 25. Where was Mahatma Gandhi arrested and placed under house arrest on 9 August 1942? The right answer is B. At Aga Khan Palace. All the prominent leaders of the Congress were arrested during the Quit India movement. 26. In which copperplate inscription of the Garhwal dynasty ruler Govind Chand there is discussion of a text called Turuska Dand? The right answer is Maner copperplate inscription. 27. According to the N.A. Akbari of Abul Fazl, Bihar province was divided into how many sarkars? The right answer is A. 7. These were Bihar, Munger, Tirhut, Hajipur, Rohtas, Champaran and Saran. 28. Asa Sahai was related with? The right answer is C. Azad Hind Fauj. Asa Sahai joined the Azad Hind Fauj in 1943 and became a member of the nursing corps. After returning home from Japan in 1946, she worked to train women to use weapons. 29. Who was the only satyagrahi from Bihar to participate in the Dandi March? The right answer is B. Girivardhari Chaudhary. 30. When was the Martyr Memorial at Patna formally unveiled by the first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad? The right answer is D. 1956. Martyr Memorial at Patna is related to the 7 students killed in the Secretariat incident on 11th August 1942, the foundation stone of which was laid by the first governor of Bihar, Jairam Das Daulat Ram. The formal unveiling was done by Dr. Rajendra Prasad in 1956. 31. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. A. Between Maldives and Minicoy, 8-degree channel between Lakshadweep and Minicoy, 9-degree channel between Little Andaman and Car Nicobar, 10-degree channel between South Andaman and Little Andaman, Duncan Pass. So the right answer is D. 32. In which of the following system periods of rock maximum coal is found in India? The right answer is A. Gondwana. Rocks of the Gondwana period were formed between the upper Carboniferous era to the Jurassic Age. This is especially important for coal. More than 90% of India's coal is found in this type of rocks, and these are sedimentary rocks. 33. Which of the following is a mountain located in the southernmost part of peninsular India? The right answer is D. Cardamom Hills. 34. The origin of the river Chema Yungdun Glacier is. The right answer is B. Indus. The Indus originates from the Chemayangdang Glacier or Bokharchu Glacier near Lake Mansarovar in Tibet. It is an antecedent river. It crosses the Himalayan mountain and enters near Damchok. 35. Which branch of jet stream is responsible for bringing winter cyclones in India? The right answer is C. Western jet stream. Which statement is wrong with respect to laterite soil? It is red in color due to the presence of iron oxide. This statement is correct. It contains abundance of nitrogen, potash, lime and organic matter. This is wrong statement. It is deficient in nitrogen, potash, lime and organic matter. Deficient. It is generally deficient in iron and aluminium. It is abundant in iron and aluminium. So, which statement is wrong? B and C is wrong. The answer is more than one of the above. 37. Tulbul project is built on which river? The right answer is A. Jhelum. Tulbul project is built on the river Jhelum in Jammu and Kashmir. It is a tributary of the Indus. It originates from the Verinag Falls located at the foot of the Pir Panjal mountains. 38. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following state? The right answer is B. Bihar. Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states in India, and these are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. 39. Which state is the largest producer of crude oil? The right answer is C. Rajasthan. 40. In which of the following biodiversity is mostly found? The right answer is D. Tropical rainforest. 41. The top-notch magnetic iron ore stored in Karnataka is magnetite Fe2O4. In which region of Karnataka it is found? It is found in Baba Budan, Annadurga and Kudremu. The right answer is more than one of the above. Dalli Rajhara Hill is in Chhattisgarh. This is not in Karnataka. 42. Which of the following South American countries are landlocked countries? The right answer is A. Paraguay. 43. Which element is ultimately formed as a result of nuclear fusion of a star? The right answer is C. Iron. In the process of nuclear fusion of a star, helium is converted into carbon and carbon is gradually converted into heavy substance such as iron. 44. The line joining the seismic zones coming at the same time is. The right answer is homosesmal line. The line joining places of equal seismic intensity is called as the isoseismic line. 45. Correctly identify the wrong match. The right answer is B. Confluence of Alaknanda and Pindar, Rudraprayag. This is wrong. Confluence of Alaknanda and Pindar is Karnaprayag. So this statement is wrong. 46. Which of the following countries is not included under the Horn of Africa? The right answer is D. Eritrea. Ethiopia, Somalia and Djibouti forms the Horn of Africa. 47. Which of the following cities are not located on the bank of river Ganga? The right answer is B. Hajipur. Hajipur is not situated on the bank of river Ganga. It is situated on the bank of river Gandak. 48. Which is the longest national highway passing through Bihar? The right answer is C. NH31. 49. According to the 2011 census, the districts with the lowest population and highest density of Bihar are respectively. The right answer is A. Shekhpura, Sheohar. Question number 50. According to the 2011 census, which district of Bihar has the highest sex ratio of scheduled caste? The right answer is D. Gopalganj. 51. According to the 2011 census, the male literacy rate in India is. The right answer is B. 80.9%. 52. Which of the following countries does not share a border with Afghanistan? The right answer is E. More than one of the above, as all the options are correct. Sorry, the answer is none of the above, as all the four options share boundary with Afghanistan. 53. With reference to ecosystem, consider the following statement. Which of the above statement is correct? The flow of energy in an ecosystem is unidirectional. This is correct. The rate of loss of energy decreases with increasing trophic level. This is not correct, as the reverse is true. The right answer is A, one only. 54. Who was the first person who discovered Paleolithic tools in India? The right answer is A, Robert Bruce Foote. He was a British geologist and archaeologist. He discovered the first Indian Paleolithic artifact in 1863 at a place called Pallavaram. 55. When did animal husbandry started by humans? The right answer is B, Mesolithic age. Evidence of animal husbandry begins to be received in the last phase of the Mesolithic period. Evidence of such animal husbandry has been found in India from Adamgarh, which is in Madhya Pradesh, and Nagaur, which is in Rajasthan. 56. An idol of a three-faced deity, Pasupati Nath, has been found on a seal from Mohenjo-daro. Which animal is present around the deity? Elephant, rhinoceros, and buffalo. The right answer is more than one of the above, as the A, B, and D were founded on the Pasupati Nath. Along with them, cheetah and reindeer was also found there. 57. What is the base year of Consumer Price Index for agricultural laborers and rural workers? The right answer is D, 1986 to 87. 58. Which of the following is not covered under Integrated Child Development Project? Supplementary nutrition covered, vaccination covered, nutrition and health education covered, referral services is covered. So the right answer is none of the above, as all the options are covered under Integrated Child Development Project. 59. Which 5-year plan was started twice? The right answer is B, 6th 5-year plan. The 6th 5-year plan was started for the first time by the Janta government for 1978 to 83, and the second time by Congress government from 1980 to 85. Question number 60. Bhagwati Committee is related to. The right answer is A, the estimate of unemployment. 61. What is the rank of India in the world in fertilizer production? The right answer is C, third. First is China, second America, and third is India. 62. Which of the following currency is not used by IMF in its valuation of SDR? The full form of SDR is special drawing right, and the answer is D, ruble. The IMF has used 4 currency as the basis for evaluating the SDR. Dollar, it is 44%, euro 34%, pound is 11%, and JPY is 11%. 63. Which of the following curve shows the inverse relationship between unemployment rate and inflation? The right answer is C, Phillips curve. Lorentz curve is used for economic inequality, Kuznets curve for growth in per capita and economic inequality, and Laffer curve for taxation rate and tax revenue. 64. According to the 15th Finance Commission, which of the following is not correctly matched? The right answer is D, income difference 40%. The income difference is not 40%, it's 45%. 45. 65th, the Golden Status Certificate is related to. The right answer is B, exporters. In order to promote exports, golden status certificate is given to exporters with good achievements in export for 3 consecutive years. 66. When did the Foreign Exchange Management Act FEMA came into effect? The right answer is B. June 2000. 67. Price Stabilization Fund was established to stabilize the price of which of the following cash crops? Tea, rubber, coffee and tobacco. The right answer is E. More than one of the above. 68. Which finance minister has given the longest budget speech in the budgetary history of independent India? The right answer is A. Nirmala Sitharaman. 69. What is the estimate or size of budget of the government of the India for 2021-22? The right answer is A. 70. According to the Economic Survey 2020-21, what is the rank of India among the debt-ridden countries of the world at the end of June 2020? The right answer is D. 23rd. 71. How much allocation has been made in the budget of 2021-22 of the Bihar government for Sat Nischay 2.0? The right answer is B. 4671 crore. 72. Who among the following is not appointed by the President? Prime Minister is appointed, Governor is appointed, Chief Minister is appointed, Attorney General is appointed. The answer is none of the above, as all the above given options are appointed by the President. 73. Who among the following was the first non-Congress Prime Minister? The right answer is D. Morarji Desai. 74. Indian Parliament consists of which of the following? The right answer is C. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. 75. Which of the following is not a subject of the Union list? The right answer is A. Price control. 76. Which of the following is the correct order of precedence of the office bearers of the government of the India? The right answer is D. President, then Prime Minister, then Speaker of Lok Sabha, then Finance Minister. 77. Which of the following constitutional amendment gave the right to the Parliament to amend any part of the Constitution? The right answer is D. By 24th Constitutional Amendment Act, the Parliament was given the right to amend any part of the Constitution, even if it is a fundamental right. 78. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? The right answer is C. Council of Ministers to aid and advise the Governor. Article 164. Council of Ministers to aid and advise the Governor is described in Article 163. Question 79. Correctly match the minister and his department in the interim government 1946. The right answer is Sardar Patel is related to Home Department, Dr. Rajendra Prasad to Food and Agriculture, Jagjeevan Ram Labour Department and Liaquat Ali Khan Finance Department. So the right answer for 79 is C. 80. Which of the following fundamental rights are available to Indian citizens as well as foreign citizens? The right answer is, the correct answer is more than one of the above, as protection of life and personal liberty and protection in respect of conviction of offences. These two are given to Indian citizens as well as foreign citizens. 81. What type of majority is required in the Parliament to approve the declaration of financial emergency? The right answer is A. Simple majority. 82. Which of the following is not expenditure charged on the consolidated fund of the India? The right answer is D. Salary and allowances of the High Court judges. 83. By which of the following acts the activities of the East India Company as a trading body were abolished? The right answer is D. By Charter Act of 1833. 84. When was the Second Administrative Reform Commission constituted? The right answer is C. 2005. 85. Which of the following is not correctly matched? The right answer is D. D is not correctly matched, as the Information and Broadcasting Minister is G. Kishan Reddy. Is Anurag Thakur. Anurag Thakur. It's not G. Kishan Reddy. 86. Which state got the first place among the states for developing smart cities? The right answer is C. 87. What is the minimum support price fixed for common paddy in the kharif crops of 2021 and 22? The right answer is C. 1940. 88. In June 2021, between which of the following two countries has the free trade agreement signed? The right answer is A. Australia and Britain. 89. Who has been crowned Miss Universe 2020? The right answer is C. Andrea Meza. She was awarded the title of Miss Universe 2020 in the Miss Universe 2020 competition, which was held in Florida. Adeline Castellino of India was the third runner-up in this. 90. Who is the author of the book How to Avoid a Climate Disaster? The right answer is D. Bill Gates. 91. Which statement is not true about World Press Freedom Index? The right answer is C. The last place in this belongs to China. The last place is of Eritrea. The World Press Freedom Index is published by Reporters Without Borders. Norway has been ranked 1 and the rank of India is 142. 92. Which statement is false regarding Wisden's best cricketer of the decade? The right answer is none of the above, as all the options are correct. 93. Varun naval exercise is held between which two countries? The right answer is A. India, France. 94. When is International Day of Forest celebrated? The right answer is D. 21 March. 95. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Scheduled Tribes Commission? The right answer is A. Harsh Chauhan. 96. Who won the women's singles title of Wimbledon Open tennis tournament in July 2021? The right answer is A. Ashleigh Barty. 97. What is the rank of India in the medal tally of Tokyo Olympics? The answer is D. 48. 98. The Indian hockey men's team defeated the the team of which country to win the bronze medal in the Tokyo Olympics? The right answer is C. Germany. 99. Who is the winner of UEFA Euro Cup? The right answer is A. Italy. Runner-up was England and the UEFA Euro Cup was held in London. 100. Which of the following is not true regarding Padma Awards 2021? The right answer is D. 112% got the Padma Shri award. This is wrong, as a total of 119% got Padma awards. And these Padma awards were announced in 2021 Republic Day. 101. Farmers Welfare Mission has been started by which state? The right answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. 102. Recently, which state government has increased the working days of MG Narega from 100 to 150 days? The right answer is B. Uttarakhand. 103. How much budget has been allocated by Bihar government on education in the year 2021-22? The right answer is A. 104. With which country India has signed the Comprehensive Economic Cooperation and Partnership Agreement in February 2021? The right answer is D. Mauritius. 105. Where will the COP26 be held in November 2021? The right answer is A. Glasgow. 106. Sanjay Chakrabarti passed away in April 2021. He was related to which sport? The right answer is A. Shooting. 107. Who gave the nickname Flying Sikh to sprinter Milkha Singh? The right answer is A. Ayub Khan. 108. In view of increasing population, Thaila Bank has been started by which municipal corporation? The right answer is A. Lucknow. 109. In which district of Bihar has the bird festival Kalrao Fest organized? The right answer is C. Jamui. Bird festival Kalrav was organized in Nagi Nakti Bird Sanctuary located in Jamui, Bihar. This is the first state bird festival of Bihar. 110. In which union territory Atal Paryavaran Bhavan has been inaugurated? The right answer is A. Lakshadweep. 111. According to the Indian Forest State Report 2019, which district of Bihar has the highest increase in the forest cover? The right answer is A. Banka. This district has maximum increase in forest cover, while maximum decrease was recorded in Rohtas district. Maximum decrease. 112. Which country has declared a food emergency recently? The right answer is B. Sri Lanka. 113. What is the name of the world's first artificial intelligence ship? The right answer is 113A. Mayflower 400. 114. Who got the first prize in the tableaux presented at the Independence Day function held at Gandhi Maidan, Patna? The right answer is C. Bihar Education Project. 115. Gayatri Mantra is mentioned in which mandal of Rig Veda? The right answer is C. 3rd. 116. Where was the first Jain council organized? The right answer is D. Patliputra. First Jain council was organized in 300 BC under the presidency of Stulbhadra. In this, Jainism got divided into two sects, Digambar and Shwetambar. The second Jain council was held in Vallabhi in 512 AD under the chairmanship of Devadi Chamasraman. 117. Of the 16 Mahajanpadas, one Mahajanpada was located in South India whose capital was. The right answer is D. Potan. 118. Who was not involved in the tripartite struggle over Kannauj? The right answer is A. Chalukya. These three were involved in tripartite struggle over Kannauj. 119. When did Muhammad Ghori's first invasion of India take place? The right answer is B. 1175. Ghori ascended the throne of Ghazni in 1173. In 1175, the first attack on India was done by him on Multan. 120. Who was the last ruler of the slave dynasty? The right answer is C. Samsuddin Kaimurs. 121. Pollutant generated by motor cars which cause mental illness is. The right answer is C. Lead. 122. The image formed by a plane mirror is. The right answer is B. Virtual. The meaning of virtual is behind the mirror. 123. The reason for the light present in the sky before the rising of the sun and after the setting of the sun is A. Diffraction of light. 124. When water is heated from 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, then examine the correctness of the following statements. The right answer is A. Density increases up to 4 degrees Celsius and then decreases. 125. Which of the following has negative charge? The right answer is B. Beta ray. Alpha ray has positive charge, beta ray has negative charge, and gamma ray has zero charge, it has neutral charge, and X-rays is not charged or it's neutral, and gamma rays is zero charge. 126. Pendulum clock can run at high speed. The answer is C. in winter. 127. Kilowatt hour unit is. The right answer is A. electrical energy. 128. Which instrument is used to measure the amount of moisture in the air? The right answer is A. hygrometer. 129. The weight of an object is. The right answer is C. maximum at the poles. 130. Which component of the ecosystem act as an intermediary between biotic and abiotic components? The right answer is C. producer. 131. In which of the following pairs the ion is isoelectronic? The right answer is B. 133. In warm-blooded animals, Body temperature is always constant. This is our correct answer. 133. Which of the following is not a connective tissue? The right answer is C. Skin. 134. Which of the following animals breathes through skin and lungs? The right answer is B. Frog. 135. What is the total number of canines in the permanent dental set of humans? The right answer is 4. 4 canine. The number of incisor that is used for biting is 8. Canine is 4. Premolar is 8 and molar is 12. 136. What is the mass of a neutron? The right answer is C. 1.675 into 10 power minus 24. 137. What is the percentage of pure gold in 18 karat gold? The right answer is D. 75%. 138. Leukemia is a type of cancer in which there is an abnormal growth of. The right answer is D. D is the right answer in the number of white blood cells. One 139. An aqueous solution of copper sulfate is acidic because the dash of it. The right answer is because of hydrolysis of it. Hydrolysis is a chemical reaction in which water reacts with one compound to produce another compound. 140. Brass turns green due to the presence of which of the following? The right answer is A. Oxidation reaction. 141. Which of the following types of coal has a higher percentage carbon content than the rest? The right answer is A. Anthracite. 142. An antigen is a substance that. The right answer is D. Stimulates the formation of antibodies. 143. Which of the following is not used as a preservative? The right answer is A. Potassium chlorate. 144. Which of the following is not a radioactive element? The right answer is D. Zirconium is not a radioactive element. 145. Which of the following is made with the help of cellulose? The correct answer is rayon. 146. Which of the following hormones in the human body regulate blood calcium and phosphate? The right answer is D. Parathyroid. 147. Which of the following is the most electropositive element in the periodic table? The right answer is A. Cesium. 148. By whom was hydrogen discovered? The right answer is C. Henry Cavendish. 149. Which of the following is the most fundamental characteristic of an element? The right answer is B. Atomic number. 150. Which of the following is not a nitrogen fertilizer? The right answer is A. Superphosphate of lime. Thank you.